Benedict, and welcome to the episode 10 of Wellness Saturdays. And please join us future at 12 noon Pacific on Saturdays. And because I'm going to focus on the health coaching aspects that I've done. In fact, I'm kind of like rebranding myself from a wellness coach into a health coach. Mainly because wellness is kind of like vague. To me, health is more measurable, and the way that it turns out that I've been doing the health coaching or the coaching with the microcurrent, it is more about healthy, being really healthy and having different parameters like diet, exercise, mindset, etc. And of course the microcurrent and other things that I'm going to reveal later on. So as I've specialized in microcurrent, of course, the mitochondria, which you see the slide of here, the mitochondria is an incredibly important component as to understanding how microcurrent efficates and creates these 88.25% cure rates across all the disease groups. And that was way back in the 80s and 1980s. So it's like, it's ancient, right? And still people are not aware of it, and because of the whatevers, and we've gone into previous shows about that, the whatevers have really sabotaged the knowledge that I'm going to be sharing with you today. And of course, if you choose to come in with the coaching with me, in the coaching too.